You guys ready for a super awesome video? We're gonna dive into this. We're gonna literally do what's called a blind study on crypto. Let me get my microphone adjusted here. We're gonna look and see if we can predict the bottoms of crypto, and we are not gonna look at price. Who cares about price in this? I want to take you guys through, at least we'll do Bitcoin in this video. I wanna take you guys through our two indicators this morning. I haven't done a video where I've just really shown you guys the power of what we're using. Real quick, and when I mean quick, I really mean we'll do this quick. We have literally used these indicators in our risk management strategy to go 124 wins with only one loss, and that was on Luna. So if you take Luna away, which everybody in the world lost, obviously, we've been undefeated. But just keeping it honest, that's where we're at, okay? And then we've used these indicators to actually pull out and call out, guys, 36% profit out of the market with our scalping strategy, which if you guys go to tradeconfident.io, the homepage has one post on it, and it tells you guys exactly how to look into these tools and use our metrics to start trading with us. We have a live trade on DOT that I'm looking to call an exit on here pretty soon if we start seeing any types of jumps back up. These indicators work. The testimonials we get from these are insane. $200 here. This guy literally took his account from $150 and turned it into $3,000 with the indicators. He's like, it was a hard challenge, but the indicators made it. I don't doubt that was a hard challenge. Guy doing thousands of dollars a month, and then he did $5,000 in a single week. This is in the bear market, by the way, okay? It's pretty ridiculous what people are doing. I'll leave you guys with this one testimonial. $23,000 with the two indicators I'm going to show you today in one single week. Super blessed, okay? You guys can read more. Let's dive into this. This is the fun part. Okay, can we actually predict market moves up in crypto? And then we're going to correlate this. Actually, I'm not going to do that. Sorry, guys. Just open up the entire source code. I will blank that out somehow. But I want to do this. I want to come over to settings. That's what I was trying to click. I'm going to remove price because I'm just going to make this simple and easy and super fun. Here's what I want you guys to be watching for. I am just going to look for trend exhaustion to be really low, and we're going to look for well money flow to be low as well. Okay, we're going to do this. We're going to come over here and we're going to put a vertical bar, just like that, okay? And we're going to be looking for moves up, so we're going to make this green. So let's come over here and turn the style to green, okay? There's one spot we could look for a move up. Here's another spot over here where I think we could look for a move up. We're going to go vertical line right here, okay? I'm looking for the trend exhaustion to be really low and well money flow being down the lower sections, or at minimum moving down, okay? Let's take a look at this right here. We'll take a look over here. We'll take a look right here. And all I'm doing, guys, is I'm assessing, is the well money flow low in the market? That's what we're doing. We're just going to keep this really simple today. And we're going to take a look. How accurate was this at calling the moves back up? So before we look at the price, because we're just going to move this up and look at price now. How do we actually use this to make money? Well, guys, if it's down here, if we see any types of moves up in the market, these are incredible entries to buy crypto. And let me move us to this point, which is how we're going to wrap up the video. The next time we're down here, I believe that could be the bottom of crypto before we see huge moves back up, okay? Let's dive into this. Let's take a look at how accurate this actually was to call moves up in the market, okay? Let's take a look. Let's just start over here to the left side. Did this call the move up? Yeah, when this was in the bottom red section, the closer you guys get to the bottom red line, just the greater percent possibility of a move back up. Okay, so yes, we absolutely saw an incredible move back up here in the market. This right here on this wick value move down, we did see a move back up there and then a consolidation period sideways. Here, we saw the move back up in the market here and then a move back down. This called the bottom perfectly before we saw the move up. This right here did call the move up and then we saw a move back down. But it's calling moves up very well. All right, this one over here did not do a good job. I love coming on here and saying indicators didn't do a good job. I can't stand when people are like, it's 100% accurate. Guys, there's not a single metric indicator out there that is 90% accurate. I've coded indicators for a living for TradingView.com users. I've coded hundreds of indicators. I was actually working with the COO of TradingView.com and the CMO to actually come out with a marketplace for indicators. And I was even talking to them about this, like, guys, a indicator is no more than, I would say, 85 to 90% accurate. So I think we have the best one out there, honestly. And this is from coding a lot. This one did end up moving back down here, okay? Just going to be honest with that. This one saw a little bit of move up and a little bit of move down. This one basically called the bottom perfectly before a move up. Perfectly called the bottom before a move up. This one ended up calling this before we saw a little bit of a move up. And then this saw a little bit of consolidation here. And then this literally called the bottom of this last market here before we moved back up. The accuracy of these indicators, guys, I honestly don't believe you guys will find anyone's better. And what we did is we actually took this and I ended up trading with this, and this is how we have the highest win rate on all of YouTube and all of crypto ever recorded that we can find. 124 wins with 1 loss. Okay, it's pretty incredible. So now that you guys see that, snag the indicators. They're in the description. They're 82% discount for you guys. I got a link down there for you because we got the sale going on. Here's the deal. The next time trend exhaustion is in the bottom red section, I believe we're going to come down very close to this level of about 15,100. When this comes down and well money flow is low as well in green, guys, this is where I'm looking for the next biggest move back up in crypto. And this could be the absolute bottom before we start seeing moves up like this. Okay, I just did a video of explaining why I believe that, and I correlated it to the S&P 500. So when you guys are watching this, just watch this at the bottom. If you guys are diamond hand holders and you're just throwing $1,000 in at each green line, this is incredible. Like this literally called the bottom before we moved up here, literally called the exact bottom, called the bottom exactly here, called the bottom there, called the bottom here. I'm pointing out the big ones right now, called the exact bottom over here. Like the only one I can say, like honestly, that it didn't really call super well, like at all, was that guy right there. We got close to the bottom red section, but it just didn't drop down enough. But guys, all these other entries down here are ridiculous entries for moves back up. So I just got jacked about this morning, and I just had to share it with you guys. So I hopefully, you guys find this valuable, but I'm not gonna make this a long video. That's pretty much all I wanted to show you guys. Feel free to get these indicators in the description and go through and do this with all the indicators. When trend exhaustion is low down here, guys, and when money flow is low, look for the bounce back up in crypto because I think it could be happening pretty soon here. All right, this tank right here is making me so excited because we are buying $7,500 more of crypto today. We're going to buy about $7,500 for the next 10 to 12 days straight of crypto. And I'm going to call all of it out in our membership. So make sure you guys are over here in our membership for $95 a month. Guys, this will, if you guys, I'm not a financial advisor. You're going to lose all your money if you follow me, okay? That's just the best way to keep myself safe. But we actually have the healthiest crypto account we can find anywhere in crypto, actually. Out of 150,000, we're sitting at 62,000. We're keeping this separate in Coinbase Advanced Trading, the healthiest account. Anyways, I got to say that for legal terms. But if you guys want to follow me over here, I'm calling out every single time I put money into the market, like I did yesterday, deposited $7,500 into Coinbase. Here's exactly what I bought. I will be doing this again today for everybody. So make sure you guys are following me over here. And I honestly believe, guys, this is the time to be buying crypto. And the money you have lost, because I know every single person hearing my voice right now has lost a ton of money. The only way to make that money back, guys, is to buy lower and hold. Do you know a better way? Besides going out and starting a business or doing something like that with money, when it comes to trading, isn't the best thing to do right now to actually come in and buy crypto at these low points? That's what I'm going to be doing because I don't believe there's anything else we can do. So I'm going to be doing this with you guys as a family. And if you guys want to, come join me. Okay, I'm literally going to call out more trades for all of our family today. All you need to make sure you do is once you have the membership, click Telegram and just get inside Telegram. That's it. Once you're inside of Telegram, every single important update I make all funnels through Telegram. So if like for the rest of the membership you guys want, just follow Telegram. Everything will be there. I'll put links to everything on the website. So you guys just click them. It'll open up the website once you guys are logged in and you guys get to see everything I'm doing. I am so excited about this market right now because I think we're getting a once in a lifetime opportunity to buy crypto and I'm not going to pass it up. Okay. Even if you guys put $100,000 in and you just have like $10 on the sidelines, hey, that's $10 you can earn on. Okay, so nobody feel bad that you don't have a lot of money to put in the market if you want to put some in. I think anything right now with dollar cost averaging is a really, really good opportunity. All right, guys, indicators in the description. We're going to use this to call the bottom, and when it gets down there, we're going to dump a ton of money in there. So you might want to join us. All right, guys, I love you. Have a good one. The indicators are in the description as well as the metrics for all of our coins. You guys can access those with the membership is in the description as well. I didn't go over these, but we have metrics for every single one of our coins in here with BioElements that you guys can access. So just more you guys get with the membership. All right, guys, I love you. Have a good one, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.